In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page color on Google Docs. This simple tweak can make your documents more visually appealing and customized to suit your personal or professional style. Whether you're aiming for a softer background for reading comfort or simply want to add a vibrant touch, this tutorial has got you covered. First, let's begin by opening your Google Doc. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the File menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is packed with various options for managing your document, but for today, we're focusing on one particular function: setting up your page. Now, from the drop-down, identify and click on the option labeled Page Setup. This is your gateway to all things related to the layout of your document. With Page Setup open, you'll see a few different settings that you can adjust. Here, though, our main focus is on modifying the page color to get your desired look. Next, within the Page Setup dialog box, you'll want to find and click on Page Color. This section is generally towards the bottom of the box, so scroll down if necessary. A palette of colors will appear, and this is where the real fun begins. You can select from a wide array of predefined color options. Pick a color that best suits your needs, be it a light pastel hue for a subtle look, or a bold color for something more striking. Once you've chosen your desired color, simply click on it. You'll notice that the selected color becomes highlighted, indicating that this will be your new page background. This change won't take effect until you finalize your selection. Now that your choice is made, look for the OK button located at the bottom of the Page Setup dialog box. Clicking OK will apply your chosen page color to the entire document. It may take just a second, but once completed, your document's pages will reflect the color you selected. And there you have it. Your Google Doc now has a new personalized page color. It's a quick yet effective way to tailor your documents and make them stand out. Remember, you can always go back and change the color whenever you feel like a new look. Simply repeat these steps and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing your documents.